Hey guys, I'm so bummed that I can't be there with you, mostly because I was just so excited to introduce this new project that we're going to be working on in Unit 4. But I'll just have to do it through video. Our brand new unit is going to be writing about history. Now, in Mrs. Koppelman's class, you have been studying a subtopic of the Texas Revolution. And so, with all of that information that you have gathered from your textbook and from other sources, you guys are going to be writing an informational book. Now, that informational book is going to have different chapters. Each chapter is going to be a different genre of writing. And all of these genres of writing you are very familiar with because we have already done them this year. So it's kind of like your big end of the year fourth grade project. And yesterday you looked at the three main different genres of writing: informational, opinion, narrative. And you pulled out all of those characteristics that you identified that they have in common. For narrative, it was they have characters and they have a setting and there's a big climax and there's a turning point in a character's life. For opinion, there's a thesis, and those facts back up and support that thesis. And the last one, for informational, it's all about a topic, and you have subtopics, and you have facts, and you have text structures. You also have text features that support all that topic. So today we're not quite going to write just like yesterday, but we're really going to observe. We're going to look at a mentor text, actually 3 different mentor texts that a fourth grader has already written. And you're going to kind of decide what type of genre it is and how it's organized. So similar to your work yesterday. And I'm going to kind of walk you through the notes before you tackle this on your own. So when you look at your notes, this box that you see right here on the left-hand side says your Texas Revolution subtopic. Now this is here to kind of remind yourself, since you guys have had a week of not researching your subtopic, this is kind of a reminder of what in the world is your subtopic, okay? So that's what you studied in Mrs. Koppelman's class. So you'll fill that out first. And then you're going to go ahead and look at the first chapter of this person. Her name is Naomi, her chapter. Okay, now Naomi has a slightly different topic than what you have. You guys researched the Texas Revolution, while Naomi researched the American Revolution that happened earlier. So that's her topic, but the organization does not change. So I want you to look at right here, draw your attention to this chapter 1, all about the American Revolution. Okay? So after you read through that, okay, then you're going to fill out this section right here. You're going to first answer, what kind of writing is this? Narrative, informative, persuasive? How is it organized? What do you know about its structure? What do you see? Do the paragraphs have any kind of organization that you can tell? And 3, if you were to write a chapter like this, either narrative, informative, or persuasive, what would you need to do to be ready? You've got quite a bit of space, so I expect complete sentences here on number 3. All right, then you're going to move on to chapter 2, okay? Once you read through chapter 2, the same thing is going to happen here. You are going to answer the same questions for this second chapter, okay? What kind of writing is it? How is it organized? What would I need to do to get ready to write something like this on my topic? Okay, chapter 3, again, you're going to read. You're going to answer questions. And then the last chapter here. And then last set of questions. Now, this is an independent activity. I really want you to dig in and really focus and look at what Naomi did as mentor text and what then you can do in the future when we start working on this. But even though this is an independent project, I want you to be prepared to come together later as a class and really kind of share what you guys thought. Good luck. I cannot wait to see what you guys do.